Out on the right, Donald Trump responding to FBN's report about top-tier contenders gearing up for an assault on Donald Trump. Take a look.
I had just mentioned it to somebody that I'm hearing they're going to attack me. They said, "Where did you get it?" I said, "I got it from Charlie." So I don't know. I hope he's wrong, and if he's wrong, that's good. And if he's right, I think I'll survive.
To Charlie Gasparino, who broke the story and was the apple in Trump's eye today. He couldn't stop talking about you.
Well, Donald and I go way back, and you know, all the goods, thank God. So I just want to kind of stay on his good side.
You know, the interesting thing, you pointed this out in the interview with him, he loves it when the other guy hits first, doesn't he? Because his counter punch is so good.
He's the Floyd Mayweather of politics, obviously, and I've known him for a long time. I want to point out that this story is not wrong. This story, and here's what we reported yesterday. I would say the Rubio and the Walker campaigns are going nuts over this, but let's be clear what we were reporting yesterday. Donors say that money will be used, particularly from the PACs, mainly from the PACs, maybe all of it from the PACs that these guys control, will be used at some point after Labor Day to go after Donald Trump. The two campaigns that I understand that are telling the donors this, because I'm getting this not from the water cool guys, and you know some of my sources who are these donors, you know that they're kind of plugged in.
Oh, sure.
The two main campaigns, it's the Rubio campaign and the Walker campaign, which is clearly discussing it, and according to these donors, planning to do it. Now, we should point out that yesterday, after we reported this, the campaigns for Walker and Rubio in particular took great offense to this stuff, and they went nuclear, saying it's completely untrue. We put that in our stories. By the way, we called them before I went on FNC about this. They got back to us around 5, 6 o'clock, so a couple hours later. I wrote a story on FoxBusiness.com, which I put their comments in, but here's the bottom line. I went back to the same sources today, and the comments from these folks were, these sources that were told, is that both Walker and Rubio's campaigns are full of SH, and I won't finish the word. This is happening. They are saying this, that they will use, they are telling their donors, and their donors are telling me, they will use PAC money primarily to go after Donald.
But when they hear Trump say what he said to you and Maria today, that he loves it when people come at him because he loves to hit back, doesn't that make them nervous? Because he can hit back. Every time they attack him, he hits back harder and he goes up in a polls.
For all I know, they wimp out on this. Is this, and we should point out that I put not just calls into the campaigns today. I put calls into the PACs to wait to hear from them. There are separate spokespeople on these PACs. We're waiting to get back. They have not gotten back to us yet. Listen, it's a double-edged sword. You want to wrestle around with Donald, be prepared for war. Right. That said, they might not have any choice. I mean, this guy is literally, and I made this point on Maria's show today. One of the brilliant things about Donald Trump is he's rebranded all the competitors as wimps.
That's right.
They look sort of like stuffed shirt, even though they're brilliant
Although
guys.
he made a gesture, he made an outreach to Marco Rubio on your and Maria's suggestion.
Right. And then he said that, well, if he goes and engages in these attacks on me, forget about him. I'll go after him too. But
that'd be a heck of a ticket, though, Trump-Rubio.
But think about it this way. What makes him great is his ability to brand himself, which he has done brilliantly over the years, but now he's branded them. And when it really comes down to these sort of hot-button issues that, energize the Republican base, Donald Trump looks like he's just killing it by making the other guys, particularly those three, Jeb, Rubio, and Walsh, look like wimps.
Yeah.
And it's
image. He is the image master.
And he's turned the image against them.
Great interview with Maria today. Thank you very much.